Very good morning, everybody. Today, I want to discuss with you some important aspects about corporate restructuring paper, namely, what is corporate restructure, what are the features of corporate restructure, and what are the reasons that are responsible for corporate restructure, and what are the benefits of corporate restructure. I think all of you the might be aware the corporate restructure is a important strategy. Uh, Through this strategy, the business organization is able to rationalize all the business actions. The business is basically established by the businessman with the intention is to make the profit by performing different activities, and also they have to perform different functions. Any lacuna the organization having as far as the effectiveness of business functions or effectiveness of manpower, effectiveness of capital, and effectiveness of the activities relating to any stakeholders of the business organization that is not helping the organization to make the profit, that is not helping the organization to compete with the competitors, that is not helping the organization to remain with the particular business activities for a long time. Uh, I think all of you very well aware. Already you have studied about strategies like merger, acquisition, takeover, and retrenchment strategy in strategic management. That also the part of corporate strategy or corporate restructure. The corporate restructure is part and parcel of all business because the business no, is very dynamic uh, in terms of what, in terms of environment, in terms of customer, or in terms of other activities. So according to that, the business organization is required to act. Only business organization is able to act according to that whenever the business organization having strategies like this. Corporate restructure strategies or strategy helping the business organization to move in a right direction to attain their own objectives. Already I said the profit is the base for economic activities since business is needed to discharge their many obligations towards different the stakeholders of the organization that only realize by the business organization whenever the business organization having appropriate strategies like corporate restructuring strategies. Uh, However, the corporate restructuring strategies is concerned many experts, I mean scholars, they have find on their own way. I want to discuss with you some important aspects about the meaning of corporate restructuring. Corporate restructuring is a action taken by the organization to modify its capital structure or its operations to enhance the profitability of the organization is said to be the called as corporate restructure. From this argument, it is very clear that corporate restructuring is a action taken by the organization as far as to alter the capital, to modify the capital, or to alter the operations of organization in order to improve the profitability of the organization. As you know very well, the organization are required to do many things. The organization required to do something as far as production related activities are concerned, finance related activities are concerned, marketing related activities are concerned, and also customer related activities are concerned, human resources related activities are concerned. So operation is a broader term. It includes many things. Any uh, lacuna or any additional things that are required to organization as far as the particular operations are concerned, that is only possible whenever the organization have strategies like corporate restructuring strategy. Corporate restructuring strategy uh, intention is to enhance the profit or to make more profit or to strengthen the organization. So these are the things only are taking place in organization when organization rationalize their actions. The organization actions only possible to uh, rationalize are made properly by the organization at all level. Whenever the organization having this is the corporate restructuring the strategy here. I hope all of you clear as far as the first the definitions are concerned. Once again, I want to say the corporate restructuring deals with uh, alterations of capital structure or modifications of the operations of organization in order to make the more profit or in order to earn and some rate of return on investment, that is called as corporate restructure. And one more the argument I want to discuss with you. It is a systematic process which deals with act of organizing the. I mean, it is a systematic process which deals with act of reorganizing the ownership, operations, and the organization structure. It is known as corporate restructuring. From this definition, it is very obvious that three important things are there in this argument. One is corporate restructure deals with reorganizing the ownership, reorganizing operations, and reorganizing the organization structures. These three important things are very relevant as far as the organization are concerned. Owners you find and employees you find. Even the organization only able to survive remain with economic activities whenever the organization having uh, right things as far as the ownership are concerned, like, operations are concerned, and organization structure are concerned. Ownership, with the help of ownership, the organization is able to uh, make the, uh, I mean, whenever organization having appropriate ownership, through which the organization is able to raise adequate capital. At the same time, the organization is able to get adequate support. Capital is the source. That is very, very important as far as translate objectives into the actions. Uh, Therefore, whenever organization having appropriate decisions or strategies as far as the capital are concerned or sources of capital are concerned, that may be really the helping the organization to realize the ownership objectives and also it strengthening the organization to continue their activities for a long time. And operations, already I said, the operations include many things. So whenever organization having the proper operations, proper activities, suppose organization are not able to come out with improper actions, is it really helping the organization to make the profit? Is it really helping the organization to compete with the competitors? Is it really helping the organization to survival the organization? So the proper operations are very much essential. Uh, Whenever the organization having the decisions like corporate structure, the decisions, no, that is really helping the organization to come out from adverse condition, and also it facilitates a appropriate platform to organization to perform all the operations of the organization. At the end, the organization able to get good result. This may be really contributing a lot towards to move by the organization in a proper direction. And last important the component of this argument is structure, organization structure. The organization structure is also very essential because the corporate restructuring strategy helping the organization to restructure or structure the organization, because whatever organization you take, every organization have own objectives, own scope, own activities, or own their things, operations. According to that, the organization is needed to restructure the organization structure. Improper organization structure leads to ineffectiveness of the organization. I mean, improper organization structure not ensures organization to perform all the activities according to expectations of the organization. Moreover, improper organization structure contributes towards to increase the cost of the organization. As a result of that, the organization failing to provide or to offer goods and services at appropriate price. Ultimately, the organization failing to make the profit. So, appropriate organization structure is possible uh, in organization. The whenever organization have the corporate restructuring decisions. So, corporate restructuring decision helping the organization to redesign the organization structure and remove the unnecessary, unprofitable activities of the organization. Because whatever organization you take, the every organization have opportunity to perform different activities. Sometimes organization fail to perform the particular activities uh, on profitable basis. So that should be removed from the organization activities by the organization. Then only there is a meaning. Therefore, the organization only able to structure or remove the unprofitable the portion of the organization only through the corporate restructuring strategy. I hope all of you understand this definition properly. And in other words, corporate restructuring strategy generally emerged uh, whenever the organization have the objectives like to expand the business or contractions of business or any additions the organization wanted as far as capital is concerned, operations are concerned, and even the organization are concerned. These are the some important the forces behind the organization to adopt the corporate restructuring strategy in business organization. And corporate restructuring may be financial or organizational. I mean, already I said the corporate restructuring strategy deals with capital, maybe it is financial and operational. I mean, organizational, operational, or even including organizational structure. Thus, it is clear that from the different argument, I mean, different the definitions I have already that said discussed with you. From that, it is very clear that corporate restructure refers reorientation, reorganization, or realignment of assets and liabilities of organization through conscious management actions in order to or in order to ensure handsome rate of return on investment is said to be called as corporate restructuring strategy. Further, the corporate restructuring is a powerful the action. I think all of you might be aware. Even public undertaking like banks in India. Recently, many organizations merged with other organizations or consolidated with other organizations. And even many private organizations also have taken the decision at different level to merge or split or spin off or buyback. Okay, these are the important types of, or these are the mode of corporate restructuring decisions. And what are the benefits of, now before going to discuss the relevance of corporate restructuring as far as organizational you find, I want to share with you what are the reasons that are responsible for adoptions of corporate restructuring strategy by the any organization. There are many reasons because already I said uh, the business organization wanted to make more profit through rationalizing their actions. The rationalizing their actions are very essential. Maybe even it is individual point of view. Trading organization you find, non-trading organization you find, or even the country you find also. Because why I am saying this? Even individual has own obligation, individual has own objectives, organization has own objectives, own obligation. Even country like India also have many objectives. So in order to realize that, they needed appropriate the strategies because the corporate restructuring emerged. Intention is to rationalize all actions. Rationalize all actions for what? For to make the profit. The profit is the source through which the organization is able to breathe, able to remain with the organization activities, able to discharge their obligations, able to attract the investors, able to adopt required things, able to produce more product. So these are the important outcomes whenever the organization having the right actions or right activities. There are different the reasons as far as adoptions of corporate restructuring strategies are concerned. One is to strengthen the organization ability. Already I said uh, the organization should be rational and effective. Whenever we have unnecessary things, whenever our actions is not really have according to objectives of the organization or actions of the organization, I mean suppose our actions is not really uh, made by the organization on the basis of objectives of the organization or on the basis of strength of the organization, that is not really helping the organization to make profit according to their expectations. So, corporate restructuring strategy emerged because of what strengthen the organization ability. How does corporate restructuring strategy strengthen the organization ability? I mean, ability nothing but what? Maybe strength of the organization. For example, suppose organization have proper operations, it is strength of the organization. Suppose organization have appropriate mode of capital, I mean capital structure, it is strength of organization. Suppose organization have appropriate organization structure, it is strength of organization. Suppose organizational the activities are really helping the organization to meet all obligation, it is strength of organization. Through corporate restructure strategy, the organization is able to add it right things and remove the unnecessary things. I mean, unprofitable things. As a result of that, organization is able to do better things. But one more thing I want to share with you. Uh, as a result of corporate restructuring decisions, organization is able to merge with another organization, take over other organization, and restructure the organization structure, and then restructure the manpower management, restructure material management or inventory management, restructure even marketing activities, restructure activities relating to customers. So whenever these are the things emerged in the organization, really that is helping the organization to strengthen the organization ability. Well, once organization have these are the things, organization is able to perform the activities rationally. As a result of that, the organization is able to make more profit. Make the more profit. Whenever you have more profit, this is the strength of the organization, no? Because the profit is the most important, the parameter that is judging the organizational performance. Because the profit is the way through which the organization is able to discharge their the obligation and expand their activities and undertake different activities. Okay, like that. Therefore, corporate restructure strategy helping the organization to strengthen the organization ability and to rationalize the cost structure of organization. This is also very, very important as far as any the organization are concerned, because cost factor always decide the fate of the organization. Cost factor always decide the fate of the product. Cost factor always having influence as far as the strength of the organization. Cost factor always having their own influence as far as profitability of the organization. So the organization required to do many things. For that, the organization needed to spend the money. For that, organization needed capital. Suppose that activity is profitable, there is no problem. Suppose organization not able to make profit from particular portion or particular activities, so that should be avoided. No? That should be uh, removed from the organization. Then only the organization is able to make the profit. Therefore, the corporate restructuring strategy helping the organization to minimize the cost of organization. The cost, whatever actions come out from any organization, for that the organization is needed to spend the money. I mean, and the organization required to incur the cost. So the cost may be rational. There is no problem. Whatever cost incurred by the organization, suppose organization get back from that adequate profit. Really, that is appreciable. Really, that is good for organization. Suppose organization not able to make the profit by spending the money or by incurring the cost. In such case, the organization should think to remove that portion. That is only possible through the corporate restructure strategy. Therefore, corporate restructure strategy emerged because of what? Because of to uh, rationalize the cost structure of organization and concentration. Another reason is to concentrate on key activities of organization. Sometimes the organization is needed to concentrate on key activities because key activities nothing but what? That activities are really uh, having a lot of contribution towards prosperity of the organization. Without that activity, the organization can't able to survive. Or without, I mean, that activities are more the important as far as organization to make the profit are concerned. So that only possible whenever the organization have decisions like corporate restructuring decisions. Because suppose organization, for example, suppose organization wants to go beyond the national boundary. For this, the organization is required capital, manpower, technology, and also expertise also required. So whenever organization uh, merge with another powerful organization, the organization is able to easily go behind the national boundary as far as undertake the business activities are concerned. This is no helping the organization to concentrate on productions of more product or develop in a particular area or to grow horizontally, vertically as far as different the activities of the organization or the concern. And to expand the business operation, this is also another important reasons behind the adoptions of corporate restructuring strategy. Because as you know very well, the expansion, contraction are part and parcel of any business activities. Whenever any business organization feel comfortable with particular business or business actions, that forces business organization to expand their business. Whenever the organization uncomfortable with the particular business activities, that time the organization is thinking to take the decisions come out from that unprofitable actions. I mean, contractions decisions also organization required to take whenever unfavorable conditions organization having as far as the particular economic activities are the concern. And corporate restructuring strategy is responsible for ensure adequate and appropriate technology. Technology also very essential because technology changing the features of the product, shape of the product, and even technology helping the organization to compete with the competitors. Because the technology really changing uh, the structure or it helping the organization to produce product according to changing business environment as well as the expectations of the ultimate users. So as a result of corporate restructuring strategy, the organization able to incorporate or adopt the appropriate technology. And next reason is to prepare a platform, to make a better use of resources. This is also one of the most important reasons that are responsible for adoptions of corporate restructuring strategy. All of you very well aware uh, the ability or profitability or effectiveness or survival of the organization purely based on the way in which the organization having the scope as far as the utilizations of that resources are concerned, or the way in which the organization prepare themselves to utilize the resources. You see, you go through the history of successful entities, successful corporate activities. The proper utilizations of resources is very essential because even this may be applicable to individual like me, like you, because whenever we are utilizing our ability properly, we are able to come forward, we are able to attain our predetermined things. We are able to do something better than others as far as our the objectives are concerned. So, corporate restructuring strategy helping the organization to tap the resources properly because corporate restructuring strategy ensures to take decision about spin off or sell off. I mean, whenever organization having favorable condition, organization thinking to add something, whenever organization having unfavorable condition, organization thinking to remove that, through which the organization is able to tap resources properly and rationally. And another important the reasons that is responsible for adoptions of corporate restructuring strategy is to improve the competitive ability of organization. So this is uh, part and parcel of any business because business is very risky. I mean, whatever business you take, there are a lot of complexities are there, risks are there, uncertainties are there, and even a lot of competition is there. Every day, many changes are taking place as far as the technology are concerned, taste preference of consumers are concerned, and even government rules and regulations are concerned, international the rules and regulations are concerned. So these are the things, leads more risk. Suppose organization not have appropriate plan of actions. Suppose organization not have proper strategies. So corporate restructuring strategy helping the organization but, to improve the competitive ability through rationalizing all actions of the organization. I hope all of you clear about why the organization is needed to take decision about corporate restructuring. I mean, why organization is needed to adopt corporate restructuring strategy. And next, uh, some other reasons we have as far as to take the corporate restructuring decisions are concerned, like to spin off unhealthy. Already I said to spin off unhealthy unit or remove the unprofitable activities, and also adopt growth strategies. I mean, added something to the existing line of business, and to minimize the corporate debt, because sometime no organization is required to take decision to improve the to increase the corporate debt and reduce the corporate debt because of many reasons. So whenever organization is thinking to raise the corporate debt, should adopt a corporate restructuring strategy. And whenever organization wants to reduce corporate debt, the same time the organization is needed to take the, I mean, adopt a corporate restructuring strategy. And also many other reasons like it will help the organization to improve the profit and provide better service to the end users and to compete with competitors. And it may help the organization to run the all activities profitably. And all the actions also will be uh, helpful the organization to run on a rational basis and profitable basis. And next, the managerial benefits of the corporate restructuring strategy. Already, I discussed many aspects, the reasons and features, and what is corporate restructure. But what are the outcome of corporate restructure as far as organizational you find, as far as owners you find, as far as customers you find, and society you find, nation you find? So many outcomes, no? Any organization become competent, capable, and any organization is having better ability. As a result of that, many good outcomes. Owners also may be happy, employees also happy, nation also happy, society also happy, even the customers also happy. Whatever it is, there are many uh, managerial benefit as a result of adoptions of corporate restructure strategy in organization, like rationalizing the organization action. Already I said, every organization is required to rationalize all actions because irrational actions of organization leads to loss, a lot leads to uh, not able to make profit. As a result of that, organization failing to discharge their obligation. If organization fail to discharge their obligation, owners are unhappy, employee feel uncomfortable or insecurity. I mean, there is no security as far as employees are concerned. I mean, employees have lack of confidence about organization. Uh, these are the things now leads imbalance as far as organizational actions are concerned. So, corporate restructuring strategy ensures rationalize all business actions and improve the profitability of organization. Already I said the any of corporate restructuring strategy that is strengthen all activities of the organization that leads to make more profit. Profit always ensures organization to smile and to ensure smile of all stakeholders, including the owners, employees, and society, nation, like that. A better utilizations of resources. Already I said the corporate restructuring strategy ensures organization to optimum utilizations of the resources. This is very essential as far as any organization are concerned. Optimum utilization leads improve the effectiveness of organization, minimize the cost, and maximizes the profitability of the organization. It empowering the manpower because, as you know very well, manpower is important asset, or they are the deciding factor as far as fate of the organization are concerned. Same time, they are the deciding factor as far as failure of the organization are concerned. Why I am saying this? Because suppose business is dynamic, everyday changes are taking place. Suppose organization not take any uh, action on that. I mean, suppose organization not act according to that. The organization not able to get the work from each employee according to expectations of the organization. I mean, the employees also failing to work satisfactorily due to changing business environment. I mean, any business environments are changing. As a result of that, the whatever skills the manpower having that skills are not all good. I mean, the organization is required to provide proper training and invest appropriate money for training and development. That is really boosting the morality, improving the skill of the employee, improving the confidence of the employee, or competitive ability of the employees. Therefore, corporate restructuring strategy ensures organization to empower the manpower. Whenever manpower is empowered, the outcomes are better things as far as their performance are concerned, their sense of responsibilities are concerned, skills are concerned, and even their make uh, wonderful things in an organization. Maybe innovations in product are concerned, innovation in different the activities of organization are concerned. So these are the good outcome as a result of corporate restructuring strategy as far as manpower are concerned now. Retain healthy activities and remove unhealthy activities. This is also possible already I said, and get advantages under changing business environment because business is always uh, like water. How it is and what way it is moving, we don't know. Water is what once is flowing water, no, we don't know. We are not able to guess exactly in which direction the water is moving. Like that, the business is dynamic. Many changes are taking place. So, under changing environment, there are opportunity or there are threats. So, in order to utilize that properly or need to tackle the threat, the organization is require appropriate corporate restructuring strategy, and to get advantages for the competitor. This is also possible, and reductions of unnecessary uh, the manpower. I mean, excess manpower. Suppose organization having that also leads to ineffectiveness of organization. Since the organization required to spend huge money towards manpower, suppose organization get work from them or there is a work in organization for particular the staff, that is there is no problem. Suppose the organization uh, not able to do the work to employees, that time the organization is required to take corporate restructuring decision, that is downsizing of employees. This is also possible with the help of corporate restructuring strategy and managing customers to attain the uh, owner's requirement as well as customer requirement. These are the some important the benefits that are taking place as a result of corporate restructuring strategy. Before going to conclude this session, once again I want to recap. Today we have discussed what is corporate restructure and what are the silent features of corporate restructure and what are the managerial benefits and what are the reasons that are responsible for adoptions of corporate restructuring strategy. Mm, Corporate restructuring is a systematic process through which the organization is able to uh, alter as far as their capitals are concerned, operations are concerned, and organization structure are concerned, maybe manpower are concerned. Additions and deletions are corporate structure restructure facilitates to added and even remove the unnecessary things. These are the things are very essential because you see the whenever organization uh, merge with another organization, strength of organization is increases. Whenever organization take over other organization, the competitors come down. Whenever organization expand their business, the productivity of organization is increases. Whenever organization restructure the manpower activities, the organization is able to get the work from maximum work from its employees. And as a result of corporate restructure, no, the organization is able to rationalize the cost, rationalize the activities, rationalize the profit, and rationalize to discharge their obligations. These are the some important outcomes. I hope all of you clear what I have discussed so far as. Thank you.